Hey everybody, I am here with Abby. Say hi, Abby.
Hi.
I'm going to show you guys a few things that I got recently in the mail. I got some things from Scrapbook.com, Gina K designs, and my Rusty Crown. I did a little bit of shopping. So I want to show you guys what I got. Some of them are new releases from Creativation, I think. And some I was just sleeping on and I just never ended up getting it, and I'm finally getting it. So I want to share with you guys what I got. So the first thing is this Easy Clean Mat from Nuvo. So it's the same as this with the it's not sticky, but it's a non-slip surface on the back. So it won't go anywhere. Even when I'm pulling it, it doesn't even come off. So, but it's a big mat. So it's 17 by 24. So it's really nice for me because I do a lot of mixed media. And then it'll be nice actually so that I can cover this glass mat up. Even though I really love working on the glass mat, sometimes the glare is just really, really bad. So this is going to be nice. So I got that at scrapbook.com. So all of the supplies and all of the things that I'm going to be showing you are going to be listed in the description down below. So be sure to check them out. And I did want to say really quickly that if you purchase anything using my links, I do get a little bit of commission. So if you love my channel, if you want to support me a little bit, I would really appreciate that. It does, every little bit helps. So just keep that in mind. All right. And the next thing I got is the Nuvo Deluxe Adhesive. And I really love this stuff. I use it all the time. I am almost out. The next thing is the Scrapbook.com white pigment ink. And I saw Erin Reed over at Erin Reed Makes use this on her project from the World of Heart event, and it's stamped perfectly on black. So I wanted to get this because I can't wait to use it. And then I got this mold. Karen Tamir used it in her project from the World of Heart event, and I have never seen it before, so I was really excited to pick it up, and I can't wait to try it out. I really, really love this frame. It's so pretty. I hope they come out with more molds that are frames because they're really, really pretty. There's that one. And then I also got the stamp cleaner, and I took it out of the package. This is the second time I'm filming this video. Wanted to see it, and I was a little bit worried about the material where you clean your stamps because it seems as though it could shed a little bit. So see, I don't know if you guys can see or not. It does seem like it's shedding a little bit, but once I play with it and use it, well, not play with it, but once I clean my stamps on it for a little bit, then I will definitely come back and do a review for you guys. Abby's laughing at me. And
remember the video when I drew the Unikitty?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that cute Unikitty.
Yep.
There's one.
Uh-huh.
Ask them if they saw it.
Oh, Abby wants to know if any of you guys saw the video of her drawing the Unikitty. If you did, leave a comment down below so we can know. All right, the other thing that I got was the Distress Spray Stain in Picket Fence. I really, really like this for my white splatters, and I was running low, so I didn't want to completely run out because then I would be really sad. So I picked it up before it ran out. And the next thing I got was the free Scrapbook and Cards magazine. I'm not going to flip through it because if you want it, you're going to have to get it from scrapbook.com, and it is free with your purchase. Even though it's really, a lot of it isn't really my style, I still get a lot of inspiration from the composition of something or the colors that they use, you know, or like a cute title or something. So I like having these on hand just so I can flip through them and get some great ideas. So you want to pick that up as well. All right, next I'm actually going to keep this here because of the glare. I'm going to show you what I got from Gina K Designs. And I got the Pixie spray. Sorry for, I can't get this light right during the nighttime. It's way too bright or way too dark. Maybe that's a good medium. All right, so I got the Pixie spray. This is for stencils, so this is going to be nice to spray a little bit on the back of the stencil, and then the idea is it's a little bit tacky, so it won't, you know, move around on you. So I wanted to try this out. Everybody's been talking about it, using it, raving about it, so I thought I'd give that a try. And then of course purple tape. Everybody has been using this for quite some time, so I thought, why not? I'd pick some up. And then I decided to look at her stencils, so I picked these two up.
Stencils over here.
Yeah. Oh, you do?
Mermaid one.
Yep, you are using stencils. All right, this one is the square mandala. And I want to say that Altenew has a stencil like this. And I think I have it actually. And this one doesn't have a name. I don't know what this one is, but it'll be linked down below. So you guys can check it out. All right, and then I see a lot of card makers use the Connect glue. So I really wanted to try this out to see how it works when gluing like word die cuts together and kind of layering them on top of each other. All right, so the next haul is from My Rusty Crown, and they shipped super fast. Actually, all of these companies shipped super fast. I always hesitate to purchase from somewhere else other than Amazon Prime and Scrapbook.com because I am so impatient when it comes to waiting for my stuff. But all of this stuff came within the week, which is amazing. So I got from My Rusty Crown, I got this Cosmic Shimmer Crackle Paste, and I didn't really realize that it said shimmer on it, and I was worried that it was going to be shimmery, but I don't really see any shimmer in there. I think it might just be the name. So I'm really excited to try this out because, as you all know, I love my Crackle Paste, and the one that I use mostly is the one that I only use actually is from Prima, and it's not available anywhere right now, so I wanted to give that a try. And this was a free gift, which is super cool. They are from Scrapbook, and they're embellishments. Let me see, polymer. So they're like polymer clay. These would be really cool to add on a project using the Art Alchemy wax. Cool texture on those. So that was a free gift. And then I picked up these transparent wings or butterflies from Tim Holtz. I don't know where I've been, but I should have gotten a few packs of these because you guys all know that I love my butterflies. I do, huh, Abby?
Yeah, I always see you at nighttime using them.
Butterflies, yeah. There's little ones, there's big ones, and there's just wings. You can kind of build your own. So there's a lot there. There's 72 pieces. And then I picked up this 4 pieces of the Mechanicals Antique Labels from Finnabair. See if you guys can see those. So they say, be in the moment, your story matters, art is the answer, and find yourself. And then another mold that I wanted to get because I've seen crystal for some reason her YouTube channel is escaping me right now, and Nikki over at Disorganized Crafter, and also Karen Tamir using this mold, and I could not wait to get the moon and the stars. I absolutely love the stars.
I thought you liked the butterfly.
I do like butterflies, but I also like stars.
I was coloring the butterfly when he said I like the butterflies.
You were?
Yeah.
Oh, so you like butterflies too, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is the it doesn't say what the name is. Oh, Stars and Moons. Hello. There it is. So yeah, that is what I got this last week. I think mainly because watching all of the amazing people do the live streams the last weekend, I was so inspired, and there was just some items that I just could not get, so I had to pick them up. Not believe. So if you are wanting any of these, be sure to check out the links below. I am affiliated with Scrapbook.com. I think I mentioned that already. Not my Rusty Crown or Gina K Designs, but yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys later. Bye!
And make sure to hit the subscribe button.
And what?
Give us a thumbs up.
Yeah.
Thumbs up.
Let's see your little thumb. There you go. Thumbs up. Alright.
Thumbs down.
No thumbs down. Unfortunately, I probably will.
No.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a pretty color, purple.
Alright, I already said bye, so let's say bye again. Bye.
It looks like white on the camera.
I'll catch you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.